Join me as I take on the challenge of turning just $100 into $10,000 in only 30 days. Just a few weeks ago, I embarked on a journey that would change my life forever. I decided to take a tiny investment of just $100 and see if I could turn it into a small fortune. It was a daunting task, but I was determined to make it happen. And today, I'm excited to share with you exactly how I did it. When I first started, I had my fair share of skeptics. People thought I was crazy for even thinking I could turn $100 into $10,000 in such a short amount of time. They told me it was impossible, that I was wasting my time, and that I should just stick to my day job. But I didn't let their negativity discourage me. I knew that with the right strategy and mindset, anything was possible. As I began my journey, I faced a lot of uncertainty. I had to overcome my own self-doubt and fear of failure. There were times when I felt like giving up, when it seemed like nothing was working, and I was running out of options. But I refused to let those feelings hold me back. I pushed through, and that's when I started to see progress. I also had to navigate the risks involved with investing. One wrong move, and I could have lost everything. But I was determined to learn from my mistakes and keep moving forward. I spent countless hours researching and learning new strategies, reading books, and watching videos. I tried different approaches, some of which worked, while others didn't. But with each failure, I learned something new and valuable. So, what exactly did I do to turn $100 into $10,000 in just 30 days? Well, it wasn't easy, and it wasn't overnight. It took a lot of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. But I'll break it down for you. First, I started by educating myself on different investment strategies. I learned about stocks, forex, and cryptocurrency, and I figured out which one worked best for me. I also learned how to manage my risk, how to set stop losses, and how to diversify my portfolio. I made sure I had a solid understanding of the market trends and fluctuations. And most importantly, I developed a mindset shift. I stopped thinking like an employee and started thinking like an entrepreneur. I took ownership of my financial future, and that's when everything changed. But there was a pivotal moment that changed everything for me. It was when I decided to take a calculated risk and invest in a high-growth stock. It was a scary moment, but it paid off big time. That one decision multiplied my investment by tenfold, and that's when I knew I was onto something. The most important lesson I learned during this journey was the power of mindset. I realized that our minds are capable of achieving anything we set our minds to. It's not about the amount of money you start with, it's about the amount of effort and determination you put into making it grow. And that's what I want to leave you with today. In just 30 days, I turned $100 into $10,000. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. And I want to encourage you to take control of your financial future as well. Whether it's $100 or $1,000, the principles remain the same. So, take the first step, start small, and see where it takes you. If you've had any experiences with making money or overcoming challenges, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about investment strategies and how to grow your wealth, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be diving deeper into the world of finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.